This is this awesome stand-up space heater. It's 24 inches high off whatever surface you got it on. This thing's really great. It's got a nice handle up here when you want to move it around. It's really easy. It's not too heavy weight. It's kind of more lightweight, I would say. So it's easy to move around. It's got this nice base down here that keeps it upright. One of the great things about this from a safety perspective is it's got this 45-degree safety tip feature. So if it does tip over, it automatically shuts off. It's kind of a nice small space heater. It's got 1500 watts of power consumption, but it has controls up here up at the top. You've got your power setting, your timer, the turn off at a certain time. You've got the rotation back and forth. With this unit actually moves back and forth and rotates 45 degrees each way, so 90 full degrees of rotation in the front here. And it's got a setting to change the temperature as well. But not only can you control the space heater from up here top, it also comes with a nice remote control as well. It's got the power, same functions that are up on the top. This M button here, there's also an M button up on top. The M button is really the power setting, so right now it's on low, and I can switch it to high for the full 1500 watts. But the low mode is more of an eco-friendly mode. And as you can see in here, it doesn't really make a ton of noise when it's running. It's kind of quiet. It's not a really, it's not like this big noise maker of a space heater, which is kind of nice. I like the small footprint. This is only maybe about 8 or 10 inches down at the bottom, and it's square. And then the rotation piece of it, like I said, rotates back and forth 45 degrees. I just hit the button here on the remote and you can see it rotating 45 degrees to the left here. And then when it's finished, it'll kind of pause for a minute and they'll go back the other direction. So if you had this set back in a corner, you'd get a full corner's worth of rotation to spread that heat around. This is a great small space heater. With the fact that it rotates is awesome. And I like the ability to change to an eco mode like it's on now. And then again, you can change the heat settings up and down with the remote control, so you can change the temperature actually. They also make them a little bit smaller, I think like a 16-inch version as well, but these are great. There's a cord on it that's maybe about 6 feet long. One thing that's unique about it is when you go to turn it off, it does do this countdown thing where count on 15 seconds before it actually shuts off. It runs the fan essentially to cool down the heater core before it actually shuts off. That's kind of nice. And on the back, you can use this handle really easily to turn it around. On the back is actually a little place to store the remote control. A really nice feature, just kind of set it in there so you don't lose it. A lot of times these smaller remotes can get lost in a bedroom or around the house, but it's nice to be able to have a little place to store that remote control. It takes 2 AAA batteries. Overall, just a great little small unit with a remote control. It's a great small little space heater for a small space like a back bedroom or an office. These things are great.